What a fantastic event.
It is.
It is fantastic, well organized, lots of food, lots of drinks, and everyone just seemed like they're having a fantastic time.
Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Naomi Cohen, and a lot of people call me Paradise Plum, and that's because, my single is called Paradise Plum, and it's a beautiful love song that describes what happens when you meet someone, and it's just easy to connect with them. And we directed a music video that was focused on bringing out colors and bringing out fantasy, and so here I am with you at a Jerk Fest.
Yes, it's a blessing for us to be here today celebrating the Jerk Fest, enjoying the island vibes, a lot of food a lot of jewelry. I'm happy on it. It's such a blessing for me to be here.
Respect.
Mega Shocks, we in the building. What going, brother?
They are on a Jerk Fest, Weather right and everything that's right, the energy right. Boom!
I wish another artist them you want to see perform today.
Definitely Christopher Martin, one of the artists, but the fireman, definitely the fireman, the fire god.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah man, we're at the Great Jamaican Jerk Fest and the vibe is up right now, and I'm sitting here with Christopher Martin, who just blessed the stage. How you doing, my brother?
I'm great, man. I'm high, I'm high off the stage. Had an awesome time, so just tired, because we flew straight from Africa and went straight on stage, but it was great, man. Enjoyed myself.
We have a truck on the road. 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 We have 1 big 5 6 trucks on the road.
This is the Caribbean diaspora right now. So every person from the Caribbean is in here, right? Being represented. And in a place where this territory and other parts of this, where a lot of us emigrated to go and find new living.
Sure.
It is important that we all hold to each other continuously and grow as communities within a community, right?
Yeah.
We already separated by, the differences by, I'm from this island, I'm from that island, right?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you and I can't be friends or brothers, and we can't shake hands and say, "Where's brother, good to see you." How you do, man? Whatever language we use, whatever the case. But at the end of the day, we all need to be each other's keeper within the Caribbean diaspora, because it's like the rest of the world against us. So we have to think in that mentality on a positive way, in terms of when we have this, we don't mash it up.
It's always nice when you're performing for West Indian people to come together, and the music just makes everybody enjoy themselves. They put aside all differences, creed, class, whatever, that doesn't matter. The purpose is the music, the mission is peace and love and enjoyment, and for me that's important.
We were really concerned that this year the New York Jerk Festival had been postponed until August, that we might have had an issue. And people have come out and supported, and the temperature and everything else have just, the vibes is nice, and I'm very pleased.
What was the effort that was put into to create a magnificent show as this?
Well, the truth is that we have had some brilliant organizers helping us. VP Records obviously has been a partner in this event. We have had our solid team from Florida, Jamaica Jerk, and they have actually been the real strength behind all the organizing that takes place here. And so Eddie and his team have done a fantastic job every year to actually make this thing possible. So that has been great, but it is never quite there until the community come out and support. All right, you throw a party and nobody shows up, it's not a great party.
New York, how long now me am under fire? From Billboard Ballroom, all of the real Capleton fans, could I see them today, please? Come back, looking at your face. Listen, I want to
I'm standing next to my brethren. You don't know, international recording artist, dancehall artist. You don't know the man up, ED to the world. Welcome, brother.
Well, it's a pleasure, you know. A long time I know you know, so make the people them know our family. Yeah?
A long time, but not before the time. Yes, I was believing in that. You're here today, and I mean, holding the vibes. What are the vibes so far?
I love the vibes, you know what I mean? We're here promoting our brand, Island, you know what I mean? Island Energy Drink, and watching the show, you know, Fireman a bunny down. Yeah. It's a good vibes.
Boy, the vibes good though, me not lie. Me I listen to the Fireman right now.
Yeah.
Everybody work good. Everybody work good, me not lie. It's not boring, the vibes are boring.
Come chat with me.